Friends, you can now create custom email properties in HubSpot. Check this out. So here I am on the properties page, and if I go to create property, you look at the field types here, there's now one for email. And what that will do is it will validate that the values in here are email addresses. So if we come over here, you can see I've created this custom email property. If I'm writing in here, it has to be a valid email address. Can't just be any random text. An important thing to know, if we come into one where I've added this custom email address, you can see it appears here. This is a mail to link. I can click on it and it'll open my email provider of choice. This is separate from, remember, in the standard email property, you can add additional email addresses. And if you're sending, for example, a one-to-one email, it will default to the primary one, but if you remove that, any subsequent ones will be there. This custom email testing at This Is Great, this does not appear here. You can't send emails from within HubSpot to this address. But if you want to ensure that it's a valid email address and store it, you can do that. This is now in beta. Opt yourself in. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.